In a major setback, the well killing operations, which began early morning today at well number 5 in Baghjan, had to be suspended due to some technical problems at the last moment. And this comes as a big setback at a time when hopes were on. We have this report. Hopes of the 84 crisis coming to an end in Baghjan dashed again. Well killing operations, which began early morning today at well number 5, suspended due to technical problems at the last moment. As per oil sources, there was some problem while injecting the well kill fluid, leading to the suspension of operations for the day by experts. With this, the euphoria surrounding the capping of the well yesterday has been dampened as experts and officials hoped that this would be the final push. While it is still not clear whether operations will resume tomorrow morning, sources say that the experts will have a meeting tonight to decide on the future of action. It may be mentioned that international experts from Alert Disaster Control as well as from Oil India Limited succeeded in setting up the blowout preventer over the wellhead last afternoon. This marked completion of 50% of the operations. The well killing operations began early morning today, during which the kill fluid was being pumped into the well to put an end to the fire. This again is a highly sensitive operation and was expected to take a day or two to complete. However, a late technical snag changed the course of the operations, bringing it to a halt for the day. Meanwhile, locals taking shelter in relief camps are also restless and want to return home soon.
হয় কিনো কম আজি 84 দিন পাৰ হল আজি দিন কিতিয়া গৈছে ৰাতি কিতিয়া হৈছে আমি একো কব পৰা নাই তথাপিও আমি আশাবাদী এতিয়া বিওপি বহালে আমাৰ হুখ বতৰ আহিব নেকি আৰু হুখত থাকিব পাম নেকি আগৰ নিচিনা আগৰ ঘৰখন আকৌ পাম নেকি এনেকে চিন্তা হৈছে সদায় আশা কৰি আছো আজি হ'ব আজি নুমাব কালি নুমাব এনেকে চিন্তা কৰি So, so I can as a park oil.
Monocovian, so having Nijo Habeco. Kiromo would not. I go manning every Hana, Tia Buina Mulosot, every day, go ahead and go to all my fish. Go by the coop was to at night. So full. Kick of your 5 months.
Nature lovers are also deeply concerned over the adverse impact of the blowout on the flora and fauna in the area, which is adjacent to the Dibru-Saikwa National Park.
This is widespread, especially on flora and fauna, not only flora and fauna, the entire ecosystem, in fact, the wetland ecosystem as well as the grassland ecosystem. So right from the day one I'm here, I'm visiting almost regularly. So I have seen the damages in front of my eyes, and it is very pathetic to say that it is almost in some places, it is almost impossible to, recover. It would be very hard to recover the entire ecosystem to its original habitat. Okay, so another important thing is that this is a IBA site, International Bird Area and Biodiversity. A part of the hotspot, and the Dibru-Saikwa National Park and Biosphere Reserve is just on my right side, So, this location itself is very sensitive.
Now, it remains to be seen as to how soon the experts can complete the killing of oil well number 5. It was on May 27th when rich associated gas leaked from the Oil India Limited's well number 5 in eastern Assam's Tinsukia district. The crisis worsened further on June 7 when the well caught fire, eventually leading to the death of 4 firefighters. It may be mentioned that 2 previous attempts to cap the well on July 31st and August 10th, respectively, had failed. With inputs from Ripunjay Das, Bureau Report, Northeast Live. So a major setback at the operations which started today, and this operation which started at Bagjan was suspended due to some technical problems. And to get more details on this, we have with us Eastern Assam Bureau Chief Ripunjay Das joining us live. Well, Ripunjay, what is the update at the moment? What exactly happened leading to the suspension of operations?
Pooja, see, the final update is that the operation has failed today. This is the word being used by the oil spokesperson, Mr. Tridip Hazarika. They have said categorically that they have failed today's mission. It's a total failure because of a technical error. What technical error? That we are not being told, and that is being now at present analyzed at the oil headquarters in Duliajan. The entire team of experts, including the foreign experts team from Singapore's Alert Disaster Control, is back to their base in Duliajan. And we have the information that everybody is now in a meeting, and things are being discussed at broad-based length that what went wrong on ground today due to which the mission failed. And as we speak here, Pooja, you can see the burning inferno still going on in full blast, complete blast. That is only because the mission failed today. Pooja, another thing is that when the things will resume, this we will know after some time only. Pooja.
All right, Ripunjay, a major breakthrough was achieved yesterday after the oil well was capped successfully after a period of 83 days. A big achievement by the experts there, and now the abortion of the operations today. Does that undo yesterday's progress?
No, Pooja, that was a major part, the placement of setting of the blowout preventer is on top of the well was a part only. That has completed the 50% of the capping operations and final kill operation. But as the fluid, killing chemical fluid which are high, a composite of chemicals were being put in through a pipe to the oil well at a depth of around 3 kilometers inside the well at a very high speed of around more than 4,000 psi. That mission had failed. So the entire work is not finished. They will have some calculations to do as to when they can resume the killing operations.
All right, so can we expect operations to resume tomorrow morning as the experts are sitting this evening to discuss what can be done, what could be the future course of action?
Yes, Pooja, we can hope that things might resume at the earliest, because oil also they doesn't want to lose any further advantage, because they had placed the blowout preventer on top of the well successfully and also fitted the studs also properly. So they don't want to lose the advantage over it, and they want to go for the final kill as early as possible. But at what time thus killing operation will once again resume, that will know only after some time, after the conclusion of this of today's meeting, which is right now going on in Duliajan.
All right, thank you, Ripunjay, for giving us those details.